Did you know you can automatically turn Microsoft Forms responses into tasks in Microsoft Planner? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step. This is a perfect automation if you collect requests, feedback, or registrations with forms and want them managed in Planner without manual work. Open Power Automate and create a new flow. Choose the trigger when a new response is submitted in Microsoft Forms. Select the form you want to use. Add the action Get Response Details. This step lets you use the actual answers from the form in later steps. Next, add the action Create a task in Planner. Pick the correct group and plan. For the task title, use dynamic content, for example the form's name or subject field. You can also add details, assign the task to someone, and set a due date based on the response. Now, to make the task even more useful, add the action Update Task Details. In the Task ID field, select Task ID from the Create a Task step. Here you can add notes to the description, or even build a checklist from the form answers. For example, if your form has questions for request type, priority, or department, you can add each of these as separate checklist items. Save your flow, submit a test form, and check Planner. You'll see the new task with the checklist and notes appear instantly. That's it. You've now connected forms to Planner with Power Automate. Every new submission becomes a fully detailed task, so nothing slips through the cracks. If you found this useful, subscribe for more Power Automate tutorials.